Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to discuss class 5 chapter 12 perimeter area and volume. Okay, so we know that there are so many formula regarding your perimeter area and the volume. So at first we go in the basic manner, like here find the perimeter of the following. What we will do, here one rectangle is there, 50 centimeter length and 30 centimeter breadth. So we will add all the length and breadth. Okay, 50 plus 50 plus 30 plus 30, this all are in cm. Okay, we can add when we write the answer. Okay, means 50 plus 50 plus 30 plus 30, we get 160 centimeter is the perimeter of this rectangle. Okay, so next one is the perimeter of this perimeter of this. So what we will do, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, how many 2 are there, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So what we will do, we add all the 2, we get 12 centimeter, means 2 plus 2 4 6 8 10 and 12 centimeter is the perimeter. Okay, as well as here also we can add all the numbers mentioned here, means 3 plus 3, how many 3 are there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, next find the perimeter and area the side of each box. Means what we will do, we can add here a. Okay, how many in the a part, what we will get, 12 boxes are there. So each box is 1 centimeter, means perimeter is what we will do, we can put one scale, we can one scale from here to here, and length and breadth we can measure and we can write, means 1 2 3 4. For means this one is the 4 centimeter, we can write, and this one is 1 2 3. Okay, so this one is 3 centimeter, this one is 4 same, this one is 3. So what we will get, we get 14, 4 plus 4 8 and 3 plus 3 6. Okay, 8 plus 6 equal to 14 centimeter is the perimeter, and total number of boxes is 12. So 12 is the area of this all the area of all the box. Okay, as well as b and c number you can do. Next, find the perimeter of the following figure. So the perimeter of the following figure means 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4 plus 3. What we will get, we get 24 centimeter. Okay, here also we can do, we add all the numbers. Okay, next one is the perimeter of the rectangle. Okay, we know that the formula for the perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into l plus b. Okay, 2 into l plus b, ये formula याद रखना. 2 into l plus b means L is the length and B is the breadth. So 70 is the length and 30 is the breadth. What we will get, 2 into 70 plus 30. 70 plus 30, at first we add 70 plus 30, we get 100, then we multiply with 2, we get 200 centimeter in the area of this rectangle. Okay, this is the area of the square. What we will get, 4 side into side into side, sorry, side plus side, area. In case of in case of perimeter of square, what we will get, a plus a means 4 into a means 4 into side. Okay, 4 into one side, means the shape of this square is 3 centimeter, means 3 3 3 3. The side, all the side is 3 centimeter, means 4 into side, we get 4 into 3 equal to 12 centimeter. Okay, so in case of perimeter of the triangle, what we will get, perimeter of triangle is, we add all three sides, 3 plus 5 plus 4 here. Okay, as well as find the perimeter of the rectangle, we put the formula and get the answer. 2 into l plus b, length and breadth is mentioned here. Okay, in case of square also, 4 into side means 4 into 12, 4 into 35, 4 into 56, 53. Okay, so in case of triangle, what we will do, 5 plus 4 plus 3 centimeter, we get the answer. Okay, so next one is the area of a rectangle. In case of area of rectangle, the formula is length into breadth. Okay, length into breadth. We know that the area of rectangle is length into breadth. So length into breadth equal to area. So area equal to length into breadth. So length equal to what, area divided by breadth, or breadth equal to what, area divided by length. Okay, clear? So Next one is the unit area. Okay, unit of area. In case of unit of area, we write square centimeter or square meter or square kilometer. Okay, so find the area of the park, which is 25 meter in length and breadth is 10 meter. What we will do? Area equal to length into breadth, 25 into 10, 250 square meter. Okay, like this we can do. And next one is the area of square. In case of area of square, what we will do? Length, the formula of area of square is square equal to side into side. Okay, so area of square equal to side into side, we can get 50 into 50 equal to 225 square meter. Okay, next one is the number of square tiles of side 10 meter required to cover the room, okay, with the area of 4000 square meter. Okay, so the square tiles is given, okay, and the area is given. So what we will do? Area of tiles, first we find out the area of tiles is 10 meter is the side, means 10 into 10, 100 square meter. Then we divide area of the room divided by area of the tiles, we get 40. We 40 tiles can cover the area of the room. Okay, so next one is a simple find the area of the rectangle whose sides as given below, length into breadth. Okay, find the area of the square, side into side. Okay, so you can also complete this table also by putting the formula. Next one is the volume. Okay, in case of volume, we know that this one is cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder and sphere. Okay, so in case of unit of volume, what we will do? The volume of a cube 1 centimeter or 1 meter as the 1 cubic centimeter or 1 cubic meter. In the short form we write cu.cm or cu.meter. Okay, so next one is the 3. Here what happened? So how many boxes are there in this cube? Here 5 boxes are there, here 3 boxes. 5 into 3 means total 50 boxes are there. Next, so we can find the volume of cube by the formula, by putting this formula length into breadth into height. Okay, means length, breadth and height. Okay, so in case of cuboid, okay, this one is the formula for cuboid. Next is for the formula for the cube. Okay, in the solid shape with the all sides are equal, in length. Okay, so the length equal to breadth equal to height, so L into L or L cube also we can write. Okay, so L into L we get 125 cubic centimeter. Okay, so we can easily find the volume of the rectangular prism. Okay, length into breadth into height by putting this formula. Okay, we can, and in the last one you write the not centimeter, cubic centimeter. In case of meter you write the cubic meter. Okay, so this is for now. Find the volume of each cube. You can find out the cube. Okay, 5 means what? 5 into 5 into 5, 13 means 13 into 13 into 30. Okay, and in the last you write this much square, this much cubic centimeter. Okay, so this chapter is completed. Okay, your area, perimeter and volume chapter is completed. Okay.